What's up guys, welcome back. So as you know by now, I've done quite a few of these pause art challenges myself and they've not always been very kind to me. In fact, it's been a very traumatizing experience and I'm tired of it, man. So I've decided that I've had enough and I spent the last 2 days, no sleep, making my own pause art challenge. Now don't even bother asking me if I'm going crazy or not, because I'm not, okay? You can't go somewhere you're already at. Now here's the thing, when this video goes up, the challenge is also gonna go up. So you guys are gonna have access to it. After you guys finish this video, you can go and try it out. But today, I'm gonna be trying out my own pause art challenge for the very first time. But just before we do that, let me show you guys the abominations that I've created. In the first category, we have skin. We got pale, we've got rosy, we've got burnt caramel and chocolate. But of course, I wasn't gonna stop there. I had to add some fun ones. Look at this one, for example. Scarred. This is a visual representation of my soul after you guys forced me to draw all those furries. And robot. Now this is one of my favorites because I'm a huge fan of cyberpunk themes, so I feel like you can make some cool characters with this. Bloodstained. Creepy. I don't really know what this one is. I was just kind of playing around, added some splotches, made it blue. I was like, oh, that looks kind of nice. And last but not least, water. Next up, we've got outfits. You're probably going to recognize some of these from some of my characters. Very nice. Okay, now here's a set of armor because I didn't want to make things too easy for you guys. So if you land on this one, you're going to be in pain. And of course, it's not a pause art challenge unless you have a scandalous bunny suit. This is one of my favorites. I was going for like a kind of retro, steampunk, semi-formal kind of vibe. This is from one of my characters. Really cool. Bandages. It's something for the anatomy nuts out there who love to draw their characters naked. I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you. A student. Studious. Got a suit here, we've got fishnets and a jacket, a nice dress, so you guys can go wild with these. Remember that you don't have to follow everything down to every single detail. My interpretation of like pause art challenges is that the outfits are kind of just there to give you a vibe. You don't have to make it exactly like how you see it. Next up, let's check out the eyes here. Ooh, scary. Looks like me. We got a pair of crying eyes here, very sad. Scars, open, closed. Cat, demon, regular, downturned, white, and boom, cybernetic eyes. And last but not least, blindfolded, because I'm a huge fan of the Elden Ring and Dark Souls games, and there's a lot of this like blindfold motif in the character and armor designs in those games, so I was like, you know what, I'll throw it in there for the people who hate drawing eyes. And for hair, eye color, and accessories, this is where things get really spicy, okay? So first up, we've got hair. This is a very handsome, not too long, not too short hairstyle. This is from one of my characters, big fan of that. I threw in a wavy one here and some tails here. Short. Now this one's cool. When I was drawing this, I was like, this would make a really cool creepy character design. Like if you got this along with the blood-stained skin, that'd be kind of We got some braids here. We've got I don't know what that is, middle length, and some dreadlocks. And then we've got eye color. Now this is not too spicy. These are just regular, you know, eye colors that you might find on any kind of character. You'd be pretty surprised how much eye color can affect the vibe of the character. So it is pretty important, but not as important as this, accessories. So this one's kind of like royalty, you know, crown, jewelry, almost like a kind of vibe. This one's very studious, you know, glasses, tote bag, coffee, and a book. Nerd. I'm a fan of this one. This one's for all my cyberpunk fans out there. Got some devil horns here, very cool. Here's one of those Japanese masks with a nice red umbrella. Swords and tattoos. This might be one of my favorite ones. When I try this out, I hope I get this one. And every pause challenge needs some wings, all right? It's mandatory. Check this guy out. Eye patch, piercing, chain, tattoos. Got an axe too, because he's about to take your head off and take your skull. It's me. And last but not least, elf. I'm just kidding. That was not the last one, huh? You thought. Boom! That's the last one, a furry. Y'all know I had to do this. You guys did this to me way too many times. I am not letting you guys off the hook. You're not safe. You have a 1 in 12 chance of picking a furry. Sam does revenge. And here's all of these options put together into a single video. So we're gonna start off with the skin, okay? We're gonna do 3, 2, 1, pause. A robot? There we go. That's pretty cool. We seem to be on the right track so far. I don't want to jinx it though. Please. Eyes. Pause. Oh, beautiful big open eyes. Boom. All right. Pretty good. Next up, we've got hair. Pause. Oh, look at that. That's pretty nice. Okay, what's next? Costume. Pause. All right. Okay, there we go. Next up, we got eye color. Pause. Red. All right, so there we have our character after adding some color. So I made her hair color kind of match the color of her outfit. I left that part alone because I want you guys to choose the hair color for your own character. Because I remember last time I had a character that had a lot of potential, and then I got green for the hair and it just ruined everything. Next up, we have accessories. Pause. Oh, gee, that was too late. My reflexes. All right, let's see here. 3, 2, 1. Pause. Are you Are you... Oh! I don't want to play this game anymore. Bro, you can't even make this up. At this point, the universe is trolling me. Literally trolling me. I guess I played myself. I was trying to get you guys with that one, but I got myself. My life's actually... Dude, my life is a joke. You know what? I'm doing absolutely everything I can to try to salvage this painting. I am absolutely going to make the most of the cards that I was dealt. I'm going to add in some fur detailing. She's going to be like a cat robot. I'm just going to add in some shadows here, as you guys can see. So I've added a multiply layer on top, and I'm using an eraser to kind of just lighten up some of the areas where you might see a little bit of highlight. Okay, this is pretty cool actually. Before, after, before, after. Nice. And then we're gonna add some rim light. This is not that bad. This is not that bad. I'm not in denial.
1 hour later.
And there is the final result. What do you guys think? Now, this is not exactly what I expected when I first started this, but that's the beauty of these challenges. I think we did a pretty good job with the cards we were dealt, but if you guys want to try out this challenge, I would love to see the types of characters that you guys come up with. So maybe we'll set up a hashtag or something on Instagram where you guys can drop your posts and I'll have a look through them and maybe we can put them in the future video. I think that'd be pretty nice. So here's the hashtag. You can just put it in whenever. I don't know when I'm going to make this video, but I will absolutely have a look. I feel like I've just made a baby and I'm putting it out there now. I really hope you guys enjoy the challenge. I hope you guys enjoy this video. My sincerest wish is for this challenge to get you guys out of your little art blocks and get you creating again, get you inspired. Even if you end up getting a robot furry. It's better than nothing, right? No, it's not. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video and check out my Patreon if you want to see monthly tutorials and process videos. My patrons also got early access to the challenge, so they had a bit of a head start, but I absolutely appreciate all of you guys' support both here on YouTube as well as on Patreon. With that being said, I'll see you guys on the next video. Dude, I'm in so much pain. First, we get the furry. Now I'm just recording and I'm like, all right, this is going, it's going. I'm drawing, I'm talking. And then I look up, my mic is not working, okay? My battery died. Had to play the video back and I missed like 10 minutes of footage. You know what it is? It's the combination of things. Sometimes there are just days, there are times during the day where the universe is testing you. And right now, in this moment, the universe is testing me, okay? You better not die on me again. I swear, bro, I will literally shove my stylus so far up here.